Hi guys, we're gonna do barbecue today. I'm doing a Pakistani style beef BOTI and chicken boneless BOTI barbecue. So let's get started. We're gonna do the beef first because the beef needs to be done at a lower heat, lower temperature. So we're gonna put a few coals at first and get the beef out of the way. Then we're gonna do the chicken. So let's get started. Hey guys, we're outside now. Let's get the fire going. So I'm gonna use the chimney starter with starter fuel. So that should take about 10 minutes for about 70-80% of the coals to catch on fire. So we're gonna go inside in the meantime because it's gonna get kind of smoky and smell like the fuel. So we're gonna head on inside and work on some other things. We'll check back in about 5 to 10 minutes. Okay, looks like the charcoals are just about ready. They're all red hot. So we're gonna pour them in. So this is the setup. This is to keep a little bit distance between the coals and the meat. So now we're gonna put the beef. We're gonna start putting the beef skewers on. So we're gonna keep checking this now every about 3-4 minutes. I'm keeping a low heat right now because the beef needs more time to get done. Once we start the chicken, I'll put a lot more coals and have a hotter fire, hotter coals going, because the chicken won't need that much time. I want to make sure this doesn't remain undercooked. Oh yeah, look at that. Look at how juicy it's all. And that's because we added some oil on. It locks in the moisture and keeps it from getting dry. So I got the next batch of beef on. Let's see. It's probably gonna be a few minutes before it needs turning. So one batch is done. This is second batch. After this, we're gonna start the chicken. Okay guys, so while this is getting done, I thought now would be a good time to talk to you about the marinade. I did the marinade yesterday on these, and that's absolutely necessary. It needs 24 hours with the meat tenderizer, and I'm using papaya paste, just puree of papaya, and I'm using this is about 3 to 4 pounds of beef. And I'm using about 1/4 of a small or medium-sized papaya. So that's necessary. Without it, it's not gonna be as tender. because this is a beef round. This is not very tender meat. This is really supposed to be done in a pressure cooker. So in order to make this happen quickly on a barbecue, we had to tenderize it with papaya. Other spices I used are, you know what? I'll put all the spices down in the description below. Okay guys, I think it might be time to take them off the grill. Okay guys, I got the chicken all skewered up. I added some more charcoals. They're just getting to full intensity. So we're gonna start putting these on. Okay, they're on. So these just went on. It's probably gonna be about 5-6 minutes before we need to turn them. Okay guys, so the chicken looks like it's done. We're gonna take it off and off the skewer now. Let's take it inside and take them off the skewers. Okay guys, so all done with the barbecue. It's time to eat. Let's look at what we got. So here's the beef. And here's the chicken. Really good. Nice and tender, moist, not dry. Now let's try the chicken. Let's try it with a little hummus, a little garlic. Really, really good. Alright, hope you guys enjoyed. That was it. Until next time, we're gonna go eat now. See you later.